So I will show you how to make 3 cups espresso with just a Mokapot. So this is a 3 cups Mokapot. It's same as this one. You might have this style. This is the older version, the signature one. But I recently bought this one. I'm using this more. And so these cups are the same size. It's just different style. I already measured them. And I have my coffee here. I'm using my own coffee blend. And the way I'm gonna make the espresso today is I'm using hot water. It's already boiled. I'm gonna fill this one up right below the valve. See? So fill the chamber with enough coffee until the top, and don't press it with the tamper. We don't need to press the coffee here. It's just filling it out with enough coffee ground. This much is enough, as you can see. And because this one is now very hot, and because I use hot water, so I'm using a towel to seal it. Okay, now let's move it to the stovetop. So I set the temperature on medium and I wait for a bit until I hear the water moving to up. Then I reduce the heat to lower and wait for the coffee to come up. I always leave the lid open so I can see the coffee here. So I'm hearing the coffee is coming out, so I'm gonna reduce it a bit. It's more safe for me to reduce the temperature because I don't want the coffee to jump out. So you see the coffee is coming up. I turned off the heat. So as soon as you see this, you move it. You don't want the coffee to giggle like that on the stove top. So that's why we remove it. Now I have 3 cups here. So we have this much of coffee here. I'm gonna show you how to pour in 3 cups. So it's 3 espresso cups for 3 people. Or for you if you want to have all of them. Like me, I drink them in 1 cup usually. Okay, I'm gonna stir it a bit like this. I have a little bit left. So this is 3 shots of espresso. So they are same amount of espresso, and maybe this one is a bit less. I didn't measure it perfectly. So when they said it's a 3 cups Mokapot, this is what it means. For me, I always have it in 1 cup. So for example, I fill this one until here and I consider it for myself as 1 cup, but this is actually 3 espresso shots. You can also make your latte or cappuccino out of this. And that's it. 1 shot, 2nd shot. And I use the 3rd shot too. And I use my Golden Affection espresso. It's made with saffron, cardamom, and rose. So it's inspired by Arabic coffee from Middle East. And if you like to see more about my coffee, you can visit my website, zafrana.ca. This smells really good because of the spices.